Good evening. I'm today at one of the major events which is run by the CIO Association, and myself, Vignesh, the Director for Technology and Digital at Aldar Education, Abu Dhabi. It was a privilege for me to attend this event today, where I'm in the midst of approximately about 90 CIOs. This group is a part of the global organization CIO Association. And today it was really great in networking, understanding what the challenges are in the digital world, what each of the CIOs are facing, how we can help each other was one of the key things that really impressed me. Being new to the region, this session was an eye-opener in terms of what this region has in terms of challenges and how we as a CIO group can really support each other and learn from each other and drive the outcomes that we want for our respective organizations. I definitely want to thank the CIO Association for inviting me today and making me a part of this, in fact, the first networking event in the region. Thank you once again.